What's up, Bunny Babe? So today we're back with another hair video, and today we're working with the brand Yolissa. So yeah, I love this brand. Of course, you always see me working with them. This is what comes in the packaging, you know. Yeah. We got us a scarf and cap, an elastic little band or whatever. We also got a card that gives information about their hair, how to take care of their hair, things like that. We love that. So this is the wig that we're working with today, guys, and I did bleach the knots. But this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and it is 24 inches. Now, I forgot what type of lace this is, but this lace definitely looks amazing already. So yeah, you know, sis will slay for sure. Of course, I'm using my Ghost Bond glue, and I do have the wig, the bar cap method underneath my wig. So yeah, you don't have to always do this method, but sometimes with certain laces I like to do this because it gives more of a natural look. But yeah, I'm just doing a couple layers of that, blow drying until it's clear, and then doing another layer or whatever. Cutting it in sections is probably the best option, I feel like, personally, but you know, do whatever you do. But I feel like this has really helped me a lot. You have to cut your ear tab off. Don't forget to cut your ear tab off, or you're gonna look stupid, or you're gonna be uncomfortable, or both, you know. Now, this is my favorite part, low-key, is cutting the lace and getting into those baby hairs. So yeah, I do use the razor to cut my lace. If you didn't already know, now you know. If you already know, then you know. Yeah, just give you the best look. Definitely doesn't have your wig looking like a wig when you cut it with a razor. Okay, now I am taking out hairs for my baby hairs, and I am going to spray Gossipy Free Spray on it. And y'all know Gossipy Free Spray is my best friend. I started with that. I used to lay my lace only with Gossipy Free Spray, so you know it's real. Okay guys, so now I'm just putting mousse all on my hair to flatten it out. I should have used a hot comb. Maybe I was being lazy this day, I don't know, because my hot comb is the one that you got to put on the stove, and your girl is not about to be going back and forth respectfully. So yeah, we just putting the mousse all on the hair to flatten that thing out. Now we is tying down that lace and them baby hairs just to get it real flat. This will come out with the best results. When you tie down your hair after you lay it, it will be the best results. Like, before you do your edges, tie your hair down and let it sit a little bit, and you will see the difference. Now we just throwing a few curls up in there with our wand curl. This wand curl is so BS. I swear, I hate it. I literally hate it so much, but I still use it. I need to give me another wand curler, respectfully. But yeah, so we're just throwing a couple of curls in this little body wave joints just to get her back popping, you know, with some fresh looking curls in the front. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm using my razor for my baby hairs, and this gives the best look as well. If you're going to be doing this, make sure you cut your baby hairs long first and then adjust them if you don't know what you're doing, because you will literally chop off all of your baby hairs and then you will have nothing to swoop. As y'all can see now, I am doing the edges with the mousse and my edge brush. Yeah, edges low-key take a long time for me when I want to get them like perfect looking. But yeah, so I'm just doing a couple of swoops, you feel me? Only like 2 swoops on each side, nothing major, nothing fancy. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of this wig. As you can see, this is very full. This is 24 inches like I said. Make sure you guys go check out Yolissa Hair. I've worked with them many times and I love their company. Hope you guys